Hi, this is John from NYC. Today I'm trying to cook some pork chops on this wannabe firebox, I should say. To start off, instead of using twigs, I'll be using charcoal. I don't know, you guys should be able to see this. This is all charcoal in there. And accelerant, I'm not going to use something different. I'm going to use some of the methanol alcohol. I'll pour it in here, then I'm going to light it. And so it's going to come from the bottom. Hopefully I don't spill all over the place. Safe. And by the way, it's pretty windy. Okay. Got the fire going. Hopefully that will block some wood going in. I don't know, this is the first time I'm actually using the alcohol to this grill. Let's hope that it works. It's pretty windy, guys. Wish I had something to show you guys how windy it is. But this is the balcony of it's my friend's place. It's really nice, I should say. My tripod is shaking a little bit too. Oh, by the way, you guys don't have to worry about this table. This table is made with the cement block, so okay, guys, I just put up a pork chop in there, see how it works. Oh my god. I think fire is way too strong. Holy shit. Oh my god, fire is too strong. Oh my god, it's hot. Man. Oh my god. Gotta burn my hands off doing this. Man, I should have bought a glove doing this. Oh man, fire is strong all over the dang place. Okay. Okay, wind blow direction is this way. Holy cow. Let's see. But if you guys look at it, it is cooked really well and it's juicy. Let's try the taste test. Oh wow. It tastes pretty good, believe it or not. Wow. Since I've been in Thailand cooking like grilled pork and steak, that's something I really wanted to do, but not gonna be able to do the steak anytime soon because I haven't found any market where they have a decent steak. But pork, you can find this at almost anywhere. But this grill is awesome. Oh man, I think I'm gonna have a ball tonight rather this afternoon. I have quite a few pieces of pork chop that I'm going to cook on this, and I guess that's gonna be my dinner. Anyways, so here's my conclusion for this. I forgot which brand it was. I think it was a non-name brand on wannabe firebox from China. I ordered from the Amazon a while back. Cooking stuff like this on the grill with meat, it's pretty good to go. I think it would have been a little bit better if there was a little less windy today, but it's pretty windy. But as you guys all see this, it is cooking pretty well. Let me put this over here. Anyways, if you all enjoy watching my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That would be really awesome. Well, until next time.